Hey guys, I figured I'd come on here and do a different kind of video. I'm just trying to, get some things off my mind. So I figured the best way to do that is to check in with you guys and try different content for my channel that is more relaxing for me and doesn't take a lot of spiritual energy and emotional energy at this point. So I am just going to show you what's in my makeup bag since I'm trying to get back in that kind of energy, because when I was younger I like to play around with makeup quite a bit. I mean, I've never really been someone that is full glamour. It's just more of to cover up my acne because I have really acne prone skin, so it was mainly to take pictures that I would do makeup, or when I was going on a date. So I'm trying to get back into that because when I met my husband I was doing it a lot. And I've kind of slacked because of many reasons. But so I'm going to show you what's in my makeup bag. So I don't use all this stuff, but that's why I'm doing this video, to see what I can and cannot use and what I should get rid of. But I have this makeup brush I never use. This is an eyeshadow brush. And it's from Wet n Wild. I got this from, I think it was Great Clips, and this is Big Sexy Hair. This is the powder play, and I really like it. It smells pretty good. I like it better than hairspray in all honesty, but I usually have to have my roots cut in the top of my crown of my hair to have it a certain cut in order for it to kind of get the look I'm looking for when I use this. So I haven't really been using that lately. And then I got my eyeglass cleaner. And I got this the other day. This is the e.l.f. Cosmetic. This is the primer. And, hair ties are in here. I got some of this Wet n Wild H2O proof. Honestly, I really like this, but it smears so easily. So when you watch the other videos, you'll see that my mascara and my eyeliner is kind of smeared. But this is another thing I got the other day. And this is e.l.f. Shimmer Highlight Powder. I really like this stuff. I could put it all over my face, but it's not right. Hey, you guys can see me here. Over here. So that's something I've been working with. And this I used for my brother-in-law's wedding when he was getting married to his wife. Me and my husband went to Lafayette and got, he was part of the wedding, and I was having really bad acne because I was terribly sick with my endometriosis. So I used this, and I really like this. This is the color Correct. I put this on really bad acne spots, and then I put the powder and the foundation on it. And this is the one I got, CoverGirl. I really like this. It really covers up a lot. This is a finishing spray that I have from L'Oreal. As you can tell, I'm someone that is just trying different brands out because I'm still learning a lot. Then I got this eyeliner. It is L'Oreal. And I really like this, but I need to get a pencil sharpener because you can see how dull it is. I can't even use it hardly. And so that's what I need to invest in. Then I have a couple things of mascara. I have the Avon one. This is brown. Then I also have some blush, another Avon brand. This is some lip gloss, lipstick that I got. Lip stain. I really like this color. This is more of a gothic look when I use it, which is on my channel actually. My thumbnail channel for this picture on here. And then this I was trying to use. My friend gave this to me. I really like the way it feels. It's something that I might have to reinvest in later. But it did feel really nice and shiny. I think this is the softening lotion for your skin. I put it on my face. Felt really good. And I really like this mascara right here because it's waterproof. And what I like about it is it has double-sided. You have the black here, and then you have, it's like a highlight, you know, it kind of gets you ready for the black. Put that on first. I really like this, but it, like I said, it's so, even though it's supposed to be waterproof, I don't feel like it is. I must be either doing it wrong or not letting it sit till it, you know, dries. But something's going on there. Then I got some nail polishes here. And these are kind of used. You know, I really like the nude color on my nail, which I might actually do that. And got some eye drops because I have, whoa, some dry eyes once in a while. So, and this is just a mirror. Really nice. I need to clean it. That's why I got my Clorox wipes over here. And I'm going to start cleaning these, so that when I put them back in, they're not so, because you could see, look at all that makeup on my hands just from going through this bag. And I got pins in here for whatever reason. Should take those out. More hair ties, just a ton of them. And then I wonder where they're all at. A piece of paper. Got some of these little sample sizes of perfume. Water Lily Sun. Wet n Wild. Another one from my friend that, you know, gave me these samples. Iris Meadow. These are really good to actually put in your purse when, you know, that smells really good. But those are like fun in the hurry kind of little, I got a quarter in here for whatever reason too. You know, guess I'm paying myself to try the makeup, right? And then this is a palette that I got from my friend as well. And I really like the painting on here. It's very beautiful. And this is what it is. Teddy Bear, Morning Java again, and Jute Brown, if I'm saying that right. And I really like these colors. I really like to use this one and this one. I'm more of like the neutral colors and the sparkle. That's the kind I like. I do use this in the corner. Actually, I use this one in the corner sometimes, and I'll use this on my whole lid if I want to like add some extra color with these two, because I usually put this in the corner of my eye and above towards my eyebrows. And then I use this on the upper lid, so you can see me again, guys. So that's what I like to do with this one. And right now I'm just using my fingers because I really don't have much of brushes except this one. And honestly, when I was using it, it was that glitter, as you can tell right here. So if you guys have any recommendations on, I'm gonna get some Clorox wipes and start wiping my hands. But if you guys have any recommendations on like the best, I would say best makeup that's affordable, I was thinking about getting all e.l.f. cosmetics because I've heard a lot of great things about them and they seem the most affordable for my price range at this point, starting out and seeing if it's something I want to invest more time and money in. And also, what do you guys use for skin products if you have really bad cystic adult acne? You know, because I have it because of my hormones, but you know, I use Noxzema, and then I also use some clay masks from the dollar store or Walmart, and that goes okay. But when those months are coming around, at the time of the month, I break out really bad and it's painful. So I didn't know if you guys have like a skin routine you do every night and every day to kind of help settle those hormones in your skin before you go through that time of the month. Women especially that, you know, have those issues like me. I want your guys' suggestions down below, and you know, any videos that you can link me down below to that are for, you know, basically makeup for dummies. You can start out and do, I'm not really interested in the contouring, so to speak. It's more of to have a nice, classy glow that is professional in the work field that, you know, you can have on all day. Something that, you know, won't smear off really easily if you sweat or you get a little bit busy. And if you guys have any suggestions on how to keep from putting your hands on your face, that'd be great, because I'm someone that always is touching my face, so I need to find ways to kind of prevent that habit, because I think that's another reason when my skin breaks out, you know, my face especially. I wash my hands constantly. I have OCD like that, but I'm trying to find other ways and reasons to keep my sanity when I'm working with my, you know, skin when it comes to hormones. So I hope you guys like this little vlog or show and tell of my makeup that I got. I probably have some laying around elsewhere, but these are the ones that I've just been using when I do try to do my makeup. And so I just wanted to see what your guys' opinions were, if you guys had any recommendations on how to keep everything clean in your makeup bag, because everything, look at this, it gets so dirty easily. And, you know, I thought about doing cleanings when I do my makeup, so a really quick wipe down with Clorox wipes would be good. Or how to wash your bags that you put all your makeup in without ruining them, because I really like this bag my friend gave me and I don't want to ruin it. But look, if you look inside, see how dirty it is. And I thought about taking some Clorox wipes, but again, I don't want to do it too much because I don't want to ruin it, because it's a really pretty bag and it holds so much. So that's just what I wanted to come on for, and hopefully I'll be back more soon. I'm just trying to really organize and get my mind off things that are triggering my hormones and, you know, things that are not helping me or causing me to feel better about myself, because I do suffer from anxiety and depression. So that's what I'm working through as well. And, you know, I'm still trying to work through having a healthy boundary with people and not letting everything get to me, not taking everything to heart. So any things that would help me with any of those problems that have, you know, helped you guys with the same issues, link videos down below, resources. I'd love to hear your opinions, you know, see what's helped you guys out. That'd be really great. I'm trying to talk, you know, calmly and as calm and as quiet as I can, because my husband is sleeping. He's getting ready to go to work later, and so he works a night shift, and I try to, you know, keep busy while he's taking naps after dinner, because I hate just sitting in the bed, you know, all the time, trying not to move much, because I don't want to wake him up, and I really don't want to be stomping around the house. So, you know, whatever you guys suggest.